Okay guys, so today I have Grand Theft Auto 5 and I just got that from the launch. This is an Australian copy, hence the rating. But it's just the standard edition. So I'm doing this on my phone, sorry. Okay, so here's the back cover. Just focusing on that, there's the back cover. I also got the blimp because I pre-ordered it. Here we have the discs, two discs. In here we have book. That's the book. And here we have the map, which I'll unfold for you over here on my bed. I'm in a relatively regional area, but there's still at least 100 people at the launch at EB Games where I went. But yeah, I pre-ordered this afternoon, so I don't know, really, I'm not that die-hard, I guess. I was expecting just to go to work and get a copy. So there's obviously the map that was leaked online. There's it focused in on that. And here is obviously a close-up of Los Santos and Sandy Shores. There's a key up there. Alright, so that's been the unboxing for Grand Theft Auto 5. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, etc. Yeah.